What's going on YouTube? So we're gonna go over the Southord Max picks versus the Sparrows Tuxedo picks. This is an entry-level kit, and we're gonna look at three profiles here: the L rake or city rake, short hook, and medium hook. So these are 25 thousandths, and I believe these are 20. The handles are 3 layers thick. Not sure if the camera can get it. It's 2 scales is a Southord Max surrounding the pick material. These are more heavily polished, while the Tuxedo ones are simply stamped and just generic pick material. The profiles are almost exactly the same. Let me lay this one on top of each other. Sorry, it's one-handed. Almost exact. The Sparrows Tuxedo on top of the Southord Max. And then we'll also do the city rake. This one is the Sparrows. Sparrows Tuxedo. Southord Max. Once again, we're going to do the stacking of the picks. And they're almost exact. Then we'll do the handles as well. Sorry. So if you're looking for a good upgrade and you have a Sparrows Tuxedo set, the Southord Max picks are really nice, and they carry a lifetime warranty. And I believe the warranty is a little bit better than the Peterson warranty. Peterson warranty is only 50% back of your pick if you break it, and then if you, I think if it's their fault, then you get the pick 100%. So they're always going to claim it's your fault, pretty much. So, yeah, Southord Max I think is more of a tool, more of a professional tool, and they feel nicer in the hand compared to these flat, punched out picks versus these little micro welded. This is the new style Southord Max. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.